Guys, welcome back to my Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry about that repeat. It's because my sister's not here today, but today I'll be trying slime. I have a container. Now I'll be looking for one. I'll be right now. Okay guys, so I found a container where I can put it in. And I saw this on the internet, so I'm pretty sure it will not work. But let's just try it out. So here we go. So you need clear, this type, the same type. The thing that I said, I'm trying to copy like the video and add like the glue, like add as much as you want. You mostly need like a bowl if you want like a lot. But since I don't have a bowl, yeah, and it's already kind of like slime, but it's kind of watery. So just add a little bit of salt and then mix it. Look, it's clumping up. It's clumping up, guys.
¿Estás casada? No mucho, no, pero sí, un poquito. ¿Y tú? Yo tengo varios negocios y me he ido muy bien, pero bueno, en la parte sentimental.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna put this and I'm gonna make a little bit more.
Ay, pobrecito. Pobrecito de mí, tan guapo, simpático.
So it's not stretchy, as you can tell, it's watery, but I'm keeping it because I like it very much because it's really like pokey, and I've always wanted slime that is mostly pokey. Ew, guys, it's like water now on the top. I don't want this. So I'm gonna try just one more time. This time I'm not gonna add because it called that much.
Chicas, este collar es el más hermoso y caro que estoy vendiendo. Nada más vean.
Not add that much salt because that was actually the problem. That
Jamás le alcanzaría para comprárselo. Mírenlo, muchachas.
that I added. So
Pero cuesta 6,000 pelucholas.
so just
No pienso pagártelo en 20 quincenas. Te lo pienso pagar en 10 días.
guys, so I really like making like slime, trying out slime, and this is mostly just like the first I've ever really done it. But yeah, so my mom's showing me now, and it looks like it's gonna turn into slime. But as soon as you let go, look, it's just like jelly, and like if you try to stretch it gets stuck. Look guys, if you try to stretch it gets stuck to your fingers. So that's why all I'm doing is like pretty much poking it. So clean your fingers, poke it, and really kind of nothing gets on. Okay, so guys, this container's clean, I think. Okay guys, so this is what it turns out. I feel like making a little bit more because I want the container to be full. So I'm gonna just add a little bit, not that much, like that. I'm gonna try another one a little bit and a little bit when I'm done making this one is because there's like a little bit of salt in here. Oh guys, oh guys, oh guys, I'm spilling it. Oh guys, I was spilling it. Guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me, so if you guys cannot hear me, turn up the volume. This is if you add a little bit of salt, it might look like, oh, it's ready, but then when you poke it, it's like sticky. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of slime. Okay, it's still very sticky.
Entonces vaya consiguiéndose un hombre guapo, simpático y millonario que quiera ser su amante.
Okay guys, it looks like I added way too much salt on this because it's not watery, but what it is, it's very like, Guys, you guys might see that it's not that much, but it is. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog because then my mom deletes the video before I put it on YouTube. So yeah guys, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope, please try this at home if you mostly just like pokey slime, just like poking. I love just poking. That's all I like to do with slime. I mostly don't really stretch it. I mostly don't really like stretch it. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what type of slimes you like. Bye guys, love you guys very much. Bye. Love you.